To use the sound equalizer on JBL Tune Flex 2, first we need to open JBL Headphones app on the smartphone device that is currently connected with the earbuds. Navigate to your earbuds right here, scroll down, and then there's the equalizer. You can click on it with that arrow to switch between different equalizer presets. Or alternatively, you can click on this plus button to change the equalizer level manually. Then you can save it. Also, there was an option right here to rename it. And then when you're done, you can activate it like that. There's also option to create a different equalizer, which is quite unique. You can have different profiles, and I think there's like 10 options more that you can use with the plus button.